So this is how we can turn on the reading mode on your Samsung phone. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So if we are, obviously you can mean multiple different things, but if we talk about the browser experience, for example, you go with the Samsung internet browser, you open up a web page, you can enable the reading mode in here when you click the three dots in the bottom right and proceed to the settings. And part of the settings, plenty of things to go through, but I want you to tap on the useful features. So click there. And then we have the show reader mode button, and you can enable it, which will basically give you the access to the reading mode whenever you want to. So we can now come back to the main web page, and now when you are browsing any web page, at the top next to the URL, you can see this little button, which as you can see is the reader mode, and you can now tap on it and enable it for supported websites, and it will actually turn it into a better experience. So that's something you can definitely do and how you can enable it. But outside of that, there are more things you might mean by the reader mode. For example, if you go to your main settings app and find the accessibility section, so it's right there, you can also be referring to some other things. For example, the talkback is a feature which is like the reading mode. Wherever you tap on something, it reads it out loud to you. So if you mean that, then we are talking about the talkback feature. And there are also more things, right? Like the hearing enhancements, like you can also enable the live transcriptions or sound notifications and so on. So here are all of the things which you might mean by that. And yeah, these are the stuff which you might want to be enabling to get like a better reading mode. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about it below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.